Welcome to saving and opening a file to a specific folder, hard drive, or other storage device. By the end of this lesson, you'll know how to specify where on your computer you want to save your work to, and when you need to open your work, how to get to the place where you saved your file so you can open it. This lesson applies to any program that saves files, but today we'll just go over how to use Microsoft Word, because it's one of the most common programs used to save your work. The same steps will work with any Windows program that saves files. The first thing we need is something to save. Let's open Microsoft Word by clicking on the blue W icon on the desktop. If it's not on your desktop, go to the Start menu, All Programs, Microsoft Office, and Microsoft Word. Now that the program is open, we need to just type some text. Anything will do. I will just type the sentence, "This is a test." In order to save this file, I will click on the File tab in the upper left and click on Save. Since this is the first time that we have saved this document, it will ask us to name the file and choose where to save it. If the program did not give us these options, the file has already been saved once, so we would instead choose Save As in order to give the file a file name and to choose where to save it. In either case, the panel on the left shows us different places we could save our file. It shows folders, hard drives, and storage devices within our computer's file structure, which allow us to save our file to them. When we click on one of these, the panel on the right shows us all the things that are already saved in this location that could be opened by this program. For example, if we click on the desktop, it shows us all the Word documents that are already saved on the desktop. If we choose a removable flash drive, removable disk E, it shows us all the documents saved on our flash drive. Let's choose our flash drive, and let's name our file Save Test, and click Save. Our file is now saved to our flash drive. Now that we have saved a file, let's see if we can open it. Close the file you're working on by clicking on File in the upper left and clicking on Close. Your file is now closed. Now click on File in the File tab in the upper left and click on Open. This will open a File Open dialog box we can use to browse for our file. This is very similar to the box we saw when we were saving our file. On the left are all the locations on this computer that you could have saved your file. Scroll down the list until you see our removable flash drive. Click on your removable disk. Ours is named E. And the box on the right will show you all the Word documents that have been saved on this device. Scroll down until you see the Save Test document. Click on this file. Now click on Open. We have now saved to and opened a file from a specific computer location. Before we end our lesson, let's go over the key terms we learned. File structure. The file structure is the way files and folders are arranged on various hard drives and removable disk drives on your computer. Browse for a file. This means to navigate through the file structure of your computer to find the location of a file. Today we learned how to save a Word document to a specific hard disk location and how to open it from that location. This process is very similar for any Windows program. I hope you learned something, and as always, if you have any more questions, email me at fmatthews@southwest.tn.edu.